Hey everyone, so for today's video I thought we would do a what's selling now. So I have a kit that I sent in December. It was processed 12/4. Well, I sent it in actually in November, but it was processed 12/4. And I thought let's take a look and see some of the items that are currently selling right now. So here's a quick summary of my items. So this was a kit. On average, my goal is to have about $300 in profit. So every item should kind of get me a $10 profit, and I typically send 30 items. If it's more than that, great. If it's less than that, oh well. But the goal is send 30 to 50 items in a box. Each item in that box should be about a $10 profit. That was my strategy prior to all of the updates changes. So here you can see my item summary. I sent a total of 26 items in this box. There are 7 pending for sale right now, 11 are listed, and 8 have sold. And today is January the 9th. In terms of potential earnings, there's a total of $289. I've earned $84 to date. I sent this in expedited and return assurance. And if we go down here, my total payout so far has been $57. So my items so far in this kit, I currently have 11 listed of these Calvin Klein jeans. Jumper, I think this is a kid's item. I don't recall actually. 25 days left to sell. This Joie top, I have it at $21.99. That might be a mistake. So my payout for here is $4. Payout here is $3. These Blunder ankle boots, I have this listed at $81.99 with a payout of $40, with 55 days left to sell. So I'm going to actually lower those because the original price was $56.99 is what they listed them at. And I'm just going to go down $10 each, 30, 60 days. So um, actually, I might be okay with their price there. We'll go down $20. So next is the Style & Co. 3/4 sleeve. I have it at $37. There's 25 days left. $9 would be my payout. These Seychelles sandals, I must not have updated these. I do believe there was some scuffs and scratching on these. So they, I believe, listed at 27, and I left that with that payout. I have some Sam Edelman heels that are there, listed at 54. Express, some Vince Camuto. I'm probably going to lower these Vince Camutos because they originally had it at 61. I'm going to take it to 71. Let's see. And literally, this is how I update my prices. Max Studio, $19.99. Dos Vita, Indigo Road Flats. Okay, I'm okay with that. This is, I think, a bit too high, and I'll go with the 56. So I like selling in the 50 price range typically, because then I know I'm getting anywhere from $15 to $20 is my payout. So I currently have 7 pending sales, and 8 of these are sold. So let's look at what's sold so far in this kit. So far, this was something that was sent after. This was sold at 37 cents. I did not catch, I didn't pick this up. I don't know why I didn't change the price on these shoes, but they sold and I got 37 cents for that. These Chuka Rain boots sold in January for $13.92. The Sam Edelman boots, $23.07. These Soul Naturalizer ankle boots got a pair of $7.88. Same with these. Then I have some Nordstrom earmuffs. I think I probably could have gotten a lot more for these two, but that's fine. And then these Madewell flats sold for $28.57 on January 4th. Now let's see what my pending sales are. So for pending, I have 7 pending sales, and it is everything from these Billabong shorts. I believe this is the second time sending them in, so I didn't even price adjust. These 9 West heels, I got 91 cents for these. Now that was just a terrible, terrible decision on my part not to reprice those. These Steve Madden boots, 1966. These Via sandals, these were cute, $64. Dr. Scholl's flats, $5. 9 West heels. I mean, what's the difference between these and the first ones? Max Studio kimono is $6. So that one is item in transit. So I should be having a couple payouts come through next week for these. Hopefully there isn't any returns, and that will be pretty cool. So I just wanted to quickly come here and show what is currently selling for me, for the kits that were sent in after the price changes that were made at ThredUp, and show you what prices I'm selling them at, show you what's sold, what's currently pending, and that's it. So if you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. What's selling for you, let me know. If you don't sell on ThredUp anymore, let me know if you would reconsider selling, especially now that I think January, I haven't seen anything new yet come through, but okay, we'll see. But if I can get my actual earnings from this 26, I'll be happy because that's about $10 average for each item that I've sent in, and nothing's been reclaimed so far. So thank you so much for watching. Again, if this is your first time watching, I would love it if you subscribed. If you have watched my videos before, thank you so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.